Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Today, I will teach you how to back up your iPhone to your computer in case your phone crashes or data is lost. Let's get started. Method 1. Backup iPhone with Apple devices. Apple devices is similar to iTunes, but it is a newly launched software by Apple, specifically designed for backing up and upgrading Apple devices. First, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer, and then open Apple devices. Apple devices will automatically recognize your iPhone. Here, you can also choose to back up your iPhone to iCloud, but we will continue to select the computer for backup. In addition, you can encrypt the backup by setting a password. Now click Backup. Now, you can see that it is backing up your iPhone, and the time required will vary, depending on the amount of data. Please wait for the backup to complete. The progress bar disappearing indicates that the backup is finished. Your iPhone has now been successfully backed up. But if you have too much data, it may take a long time or encounter errors, just like iTunes. So, I recommend the next method. Method 2. Backup iPhone with iCareFone. iCareFone is a solution that integrates data management and device diagnostics. With iCareFone, you can efficiently check device status and easily manage all data stably. The download link is in the video description. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and open iCareFone. On the homepage, select Backup and Restore to view or restore files you have previously backed up. To start backing up your iPhone, click Backup Now. You can choose to back up all data or specific types of data, such as photos, videos, and music. In addition, you can customize the backup path. Click Backup to begin the backup process. Unlike Apple devices and iTunes, iCareFone provides more flexible operation by allowing individual backups of specific data types, ensuring speed and stability. After the backup is complete, you can easily view, manage, and restore your backup. The Manage function allows you to view all data and download photos to your PC when needed. After downloading, you can view your data on the computer, which can be used to store your iPhone data to prevent your phone from running out of memory. I hope these methods are helpful to you. If they are, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.